Hello guys, my name is Jordan Page and I am the owner of Creative Circle Screen Printing and the Creative Circle is the clothing line. This is my press. I bought it a couple weeks, probably a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, and I'm loving the press. It's a Raynor press, so yeah. Anyway, let's get into the video. So one thing I would like to mention first is when you're buying the scoopers, you might also want to purchase one of these little pumpkin like trick-or-treat things. You know, it's nice and easy to put the scoopers inside of those. It's just very durable. As you see, it doesn't really cause a mess except for on the trick-or-treat buckets. Another thing is when, say you are printing white ink, or let's say red or yellow, usually thicker than, you know, green or black in my experience. I had to come up with a couple different things to try and thin it out. So you might want to go buy some thinner. I use the Union Ink EF Curable Producer. Yeah, it just thins it out, makes it very, you know, thin basically. Makes it thin so it's easier to press, and it actually goes across the entire shirt. Because before this, I messed up a little bit, but on the red you see it covered the entire shirt, the entire design, which before it was not doing. So I'm thankful that I got this thinner. Now, say you have some red ink and it's in, you know, one of these containers, and you're trying to thin it out, and you want to use some thinner. You're not going to want to put the thinner in the entire bucket. So what I did, I had this little container. It's called S-Curl, you know, texturizer thing. Nice little, what would you call it? Nice small little container that you can put the ink in. And as you see, it does the job. So you just scoop some red ink up out of the bigger one, put it in here, put the thinner in here, and stir it up, and it'll be nice and easy to lay across, as you see, to lay across the screen. You know, that just saves time, saves a lot of mess, and it's nice and small. You can get this at, you know, your local Kroger or anything. I used to have that when I put it in my hair, but I don't use it anymore, so I just clean it out and I put it in there. So yeah guys, this video is basically just about telling you guys who I am. This is my new channel. Something happened with my old one. I had about 100 subscribers on my old one. So now this is my new one, telling you guys who I am. Creative Circle Screen Printing and my Creative Circle's clothing line. Go shop at www.wordup.shop, and my email is wordup401@gmail.com. Comment and leave a like below. Thank you.